With iMover's innovative ThermoTread GT, you can experience the health and productivity benefits of walking while you work. Our engineers designed the ThermoTread GT to be the first treadmill built from the ground up for the office. Its whisper-quiet motors make a subtle and unobtrusive addition to the workplace. Its high-torque drivetrain is formulated to handle the stresses of continuous walking, offering longer life and better performance. Running from 0 to 2.5 miles per hour, the GT balances speed and productivity, keeping you at the ideal range for increasing your heart rate and enhancing your focus. And at 5.5 feet long, its compact size fits easily underneath your desk. With the ThermoTread GT, you can track and share your stats such as speed, distance, and calories burned, all with a convenient LCD touchscreen console. For corporate customers, there is a click-wrap liability waiver for employees to acknowledge before each session. The ThermoTread GT pairs perfectly with any one of iMover's American-made standing desks. Our desks provide the necessary height range and stability for use with the treadmill and are highly customizable to match your decor. Ergonomic options include our patented SteadyType keyboard tray, which we designed to provide the most ergonomically sound typing experience while walking. Monitor arms, standing mats, stools and more are available to fully outfit your new workstation. We are so confident in the ThermoTread GT. We back it with an industry-leading warranty and a 100-day, 100% satisfaction guarantee. Hundreds of customers are already enjoying the health and productivity benefits of the ThermoTread GT office treadmill. Talk with the Workplace Wellness Solutions Specialist to learn more today.
Introducing Rebel Desk, the desk that helps you be more active while you work. You can stand, walk, or sit while you're working. This allows you to increase productivity by as much as 46% and burn calories. Customers tell us that using a Rebel Desk has changed their lives. They've eliminated back pain, lost weight, and have more energy. Rebel Desk products were designed to be sleek, compact, and affordable. The treadmill is mobile and ultra quiet. The treadmill console sits on the desktop and lets you adjust speed and track time and distance. Join the thousands of Rebel Desk users who are making those hours work for them, not against them, with a treadmill or standing desk. We're here to help however you need. Our 30-day money-back guarantee lets you receive a full refund for any reason, no questions asked. For the cost of a gym membership that you're not really using, why not try a Rebel Desk? There's no risk to you. It's time to take a stand for a better you.
Hi, welcome to use Walking Pad from Apple Store or Google Play. Open the app, register and log in. Then start your Walking Pad, open the Bluetooth connection. You can choose to stop the novice mode and unlock the speed limit. And enjoy your exercise.